Okay, so we're back with the toaster. The next step then is this element that's here. We want to see if that is causing the power to drop. So what we've basically done is connected it back. We make sure that it's in contact with the element here, and then we're going to plug it in and see what it does. If that trips, we know that the problem is here. So we have tested in video 1 basically the element, no issues there. And now we're going to do step 2, which is the element, and then lastly we're going to check the second element. Let's plug it in. Okay, it's on, not tripping yet. Let's crank up the juice a little bit, made it a little bit more, yeah, maximum. Give it some time, see if it trips. Let's see if it switches off by itself. It should after a short period of time, when there is enough resistance. Heat is built up, should then switch off the unit. Let's see if that's happening. Let's turn it a little bit down because it's gonna start beating up through there. Did you guys see that? Tripped out all the power. Okay, so the problem is definitely on that unit.